besties, I'm back again, but only to give you guys a start to finish wig revamping video. If you're new to the channel, hey girl, my name is Cara, and if you're not new, thank you for clicking on this video. It is highly appreciated. Love you, girl. Okay, so I'm starting off on 0613 hair. This wig was so dry, you guys, and like just so tangled up. It was thrown around my closet, my room, my dorm room, my house, my car. Like, this wig was desperately in need of a good wash. This wig is also from my hair company, Skbeautymark. I sell high quality wigs, bundles, closures, frontals, so check me out in the description box below. So as you can tell right here, I applied the shampoo all throughout the hair and made sure that it was literally in all strands. Then I washed it out. That shampoo is literally amazing, you guys. It did the job on the second. Well, it did the job. I gave it 2 washes, but that shampoo did what it had to do. It gave what it was supposed to give. The hair was so soft after I used the shampoo, but I wanted to also go in with the conditioner just to get that silky and fresh new wig look. I also used my small denim brush to detangle the wig, and the conditioner honestly did what it had to do as well. I was super surprised with the results. Because I used silicone mix before, like previously on my old wigs, but this time, y'all, it did what it had to do, you guys. My wig was looking brand new, like brand new. So I made sure that every strand was coated in conditioner, and I just tied it up and put it in a plastic bag and let it sit for like an hour. After removing the wig from the plastic bag, it was honestly so soft, you guys, like super soft. Like, I was just so excited because the wig was so tangled and dry. Like, the conditioner gave it moisture. It was silky, as you can like look. just look, you guys, just look. Just look. Oh my god, look at that. It was just so soft and just silky, and it was just y'all, it just gave what it had to give. Okay, so I made sure that I rinsed out all of the silicone mix before I let my hair dry, and then I'm using a regular blow dryer and denim brush to blow dry the hair and make sure that it is dry and straight before I start to flat iron it. So this flag stick is also from my hair company, Skbeautymark, and I'm just applying it to the top of my wig to make sure that it's super flat and to ensure that there is no flyaways. I am also applying BioSilk to the strands of my hair, and BioSilk also helps your hair to be silky and soft and get that shiny look. I love BioSilk. I've been using this for years, and I'm literally still on my first bottle. This lasts a long time, and a little goes a long way. So now that I began to flat iron my hair, I'm doing the chasing method. So I'm putting the comb first, and I'm putting the flat iron behind the comb, and then I'm just running both of these down the strands of the hair. So I'm just repeating this process all throughout the hair. I'm using the chasing method because it gets the hair super silky that way. So once again, I'm applying my comb first, and then I'm putting the flat iron behind the comb, and then I'm flat ironing the hair. Basically, I'm just gliding it down the strands of the hair. So not to brag or anything, but like I really sell some good high quality hair. Like, do you guys not see that? I sell really good hair. If you want hair that lasts you up to 3 to 5 years, that's very silky, soft, and just high quality, just make sure to tune into my website, Skbeautymark. I do sell high quality hair once again. So I like to use a hot comb when I'm doing the top of my wig because it just gets that flat effect. And that's always the look that I'm going for. So if you want that flat effect, or you want your hair to be just be laid, like, invest in a hot comb. Okay, so I don't want to sound too cocky, but that's really the combination of having a good wig, number one, of using the biosilk oil, and also using the silicone mix. Stop sleeping on Skbeautymark because I sell great hair, period. Okay, so I went in and I applied my wig cap to my head because I didn't want you guys to see my meeks under my wig cap. Meeks are the braids under your wig cap, for those of you who did not know that. I applied my foundation to my wig cap, which was a tad bit darker than my skin color, but that is okay. I went ahead and I also put the wig on top of my head just to make sure that everything is melted and you cannot see the cap under the wig. So here I'm just applying foundation to my wig, but I made a mistake because I applied too much foundation and you can kind of see the foundation on top of my wig. But that's okay because you really can't see it unless you're standing directly over my head and you're feeling if you're really looking into my head like that. So I applied the glue like directly onto my forehead because if I applied it where the wig cap was, my hairline would have looked like it was way behind. So I just applied 3 layers and I made sure that the glue was dry before I applied the other layer. So right here I'm just making sure that the wig is super flat. I cannot stress this enough. I love the flat look. And also when I'm applying the wig to the glue, I make sure I apply the wig above the glue line just in case I have to go back in and apply more glue. I don't want to apply it behind the glue line and it's messy because glue gets messy really quick. So I suggest that you apply the glue above the wig line because you can always go back in and add a little bit of glue if needed. So now I'm just applying pressure to my head with the comb so the lace can stick to the glue. So I realized that my part wasn't straight, but after a while I just said F it because I didn't have the patience. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you can always apply glue to the part of the lace that didn't have enough glue, or didn't stick properly, which is what I did right here. I went in with a tweezer. Out of all things, I don't know why I used a tweezer, but I went in and I applied glue to the sections that were missing glue, and I also made sure to let the glue dry so it will not be seen. I didn't want no white cast being seen under my lace. Then went in and played around with my baby hairs. I'm not the best with baby hairs, so I'm not gonna give you guys any instructions. Some people like more, some people like less. I honestly just like this easy, to be honest. So I'm using a silk headscarf to just lay down my baby hairs and my edges. And this is the final results, you guys. I love it so much. I was taking so many selfies. I could have honestly cut the lace a little bit more, but hey. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I have to honestly say the shampoo and the conditioner that I used to revamp this wig, you guys, I think that it's worth the $11 that I paid. Totally worth it. If you want to revamp an old wig, go ahead and purchase you some silicone mist, because that thing right there, it does what it has to do. If you made it to the end, you might as well press that like button, press that subscribe button. My Instagram will be right here somewhere on the screen. Make sure to follow that and get me to 1K subscribers.